Hey guys, welcome back to Cities Creation, and today we are going to know subject social studies topic natural regions of the world. So what are we going to learn in this chapter? We are going to know about Pampas and Atacama Desert. Pampas. The first topic is Pampas. So what does Pampas mean? It is an extensive generally grass-covered plain of temperature South America east of the Andes. Importance of pampas. The pampas of South America are a grassland biome. They are flat, fertile plains that cover an area of 3 million square miles or 7 lakh 77,000 square kilometers from the Atlantic Ocean to the Andes Mountains. It is found primarily in Argentina and extends into Uruguay. Biome: a large naturally occurring community of flora and fauna, occupying a major habitat, example forest of tundra. Plants in Pampas. Pampas grass is very pretty, large and unique kind of grass. Pampas grass can grow to an extensive size of for grass about 8 to 12 feet tall. Its leaves are only 5 inches to 75 inches wide, but can be 10 feet long. Animals in Pampas. Characteristic animals of Pampas include fox, skunks, small herds of guanacos, visitatus, bush dogs, and many bird species related to the sparrows, hawks, and waterfowl of the North America prairies. Pampa is the Quechua Indian unique term meaning a flat plain. As such, it is widely used in southeastern. Is Pampas hot or cold? Pampas temperate climate, which means it can be pretty cold in winter but hot and humid in summer. In the deserts of Cuyo, it can be extremely hot and dry in summer, and temperature can reach to touching 50 degrees Celsius. During winter, it is moderately cold and dry. Atacama Desert. Second topic. So, Atacama Desert, human life. Surprisingly, around the 1 million people call the Atacama Desert home, crowding into coastal fishing villages, mining areas, and oasis towns. Inhabitation include dry weather produce such as olives, tomatoes, and cucumbers, and however passes for a living. The desert is also famous for mining copper. Animals in Atacama Desert. The extreme ecosystem of Atacama makes survival difficult for animals. However, red scorpions, gray foxes, desert crabs, and butterflies are among the species able to cope with the dry environment. You can also find penguins, sea lions, and pelicans near the Pacific side of Atacama Desert. Plants of Atacama Desert. Instead, mesquite trees that have very long roots are seen at some places. Salt bush, tufted grass, buckwheat bush, black bush, shrubs, rice grass, ferns, little leaves, horsebush, black sage, and chrysanthemums are some varieties of plants that are found in this region. Is but Atacama Desert hot or cold? Even though the Atacama is the driest place in the world, that does not mean that it is the hottest. The Atacama Desert is actually a really cold place with temperature ranging from 0 to 30 degrees. Three countries fought the war in the Pacific in the 80s for control of the desert. Let's sum up. Pampas region. Its leaves grow about 8 to 12 feet long. Animals of the Pampas include fox, and smaller, the furniture visitors, bush dogs, and many birds, etc. The land is fertile in these areas. Temperature can reach to straining 50 degrees Celsius. Let's sum up Atacama Desert. Trees like saltbush, tufted grass, buckwheat bush, blackbush shrubs like rice grass, ferns, lilies, horsebush, braxton, and castanamas. Animals like red scorpions, gray foxes, desert rabbits, and butterflies are found in Atacama Desert. Thank you. Thanks for watching.